For 1 through 4, we are going to invert and multiply to solve these problems. Remember, we only flip the second one. If you're flipping a whole number, there's a 1 that goes with it. So 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. That invisible 1 times 2 is 2. And now we change into mixed numbers or reduce. 3 fits into 8 twice. 3 times 2 is 6, but we need 2 extra to get to 8. 2 goes into 2 once, and 2 goes into 12 6 times. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Number 2. Flip. Flip. Four times 1 is 4. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. 8 times 3 is 24. 9 times 5 is 45. 4 times 6 is 24. 3 fits into 4 once with 1 extra. 4 fits into 4 once, and 4 fits into 24 6 times. 3 goes into 45 15 times, and 3 goes into 24 8 times. 8 fits into 15 once, with 7 left over. Number 3. Leave the first fraction, change it to multiplication, and flip the second. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 3 is 9. Leave the first fraction, change it to multiplication, flip the second fraction. Here is where you can start reducing. 3 goes into 3 once, and 3 goes into 3 once. 1 times 2 is 2. 5 times 1 is 5. Leave the first fraction, flip the second. 2 goes into 2 once, and 2 goes into 22 11 times. 11 times 5 is 55, and 4 times 1 is 4. Four times 10 is only 40, so 4 can go into 55 more than 10 times. 4 times 12 is 48, so it can go more than 12 times. 4 times 13, 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 4 is 4, plus 1 more makes 5. So I'm guessing it's going to go 13 times. And then the difference between 52 and 55 is 3. So there's 3 extra pieces. 13 3/4. Number 4, says Summer used 2/5 of her ground beef to make burgers. If she used 3/4 of a pound of beef, how much beef did she have at first? So she used 2/5 of the amount she had, which was 3/4. So 3/4 is 2/5 of what number? Flip and multiply. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 goes into 15 once, and then we have 7 extra to get to 15.